Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today for this core workout. My name is Jasmine McDonald. I'll be guiding you along a series of exercises that I do each and every day before my ballet class to help ensure that my core is engaged. So let's begin. We'll start with Tabatas as usual, 40 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Take your arms in a first position and drive your knee up towards your nose as you flex your other foot down, straightening your knee to hover off the floor. Keep your back against the floor, almost like bicycles, but we're really trying to minimize the space between our thigh and our front. So we're really pulling that knee up and engaging our core, keeping our back flat on the floor. You've got 15 seconds left. Keep going. Take a quick 10-second breather. For the next one, we will stay on our back. Option to put your hands underneath your seat, but we lift our legs perpendicular to the floor, cross our heels in front of one another, change to the other side. Option to also lift your head and your neck as you do these beats, down and up. Keep your back nice and flat on the floor. Connect your belly button towards your spine. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. For the next one, let's go ahead onto all fours and we're going to raise our opposite arm and leg away and bring our elbow towards our navel and our knee towards our chest as we exhale. Inhale, we reach the opposite arm and leg away. We do that for 20 seconds and then do the other side for the remaining 20 seconds. Keep going. Switch sides. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Take a quick 10-second breather and then we will be going to a high plank with our toes tucked underneath, hands underneath our shoulders, belly button to spine as we do tendu to the back with each foot. So lift one leg and then lift the other leg without moving your hips. Keep going. You've got about 30 seconds left. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. This next one is a little bit tricky to balance, but fear not, you'll feel it in your core. Go ahead and take your left heel crossed on top of your right heel as if you're doing a shoulder sit. Lift your left arm and you do little oblique twists towards your top leg. So twist towards your left with your right arm in front. Keep going. We do one side for the last 30 seconds. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. That one always gets me so tired. It's something we actually used to do in ballet school, especially for partnering to help strengthen our core for those shoulder sits. Let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Right heel and cross on top of your left and right arm up, twisting towards your right side. Keep going. You got about 33 seconds left. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Go ahead and lay all the way down. Last one for today. We just do leg lowers. Nice and simple to finish. Keeping your back flat on the floor. Lift your legs up, and we lower our legs as low as you can to bring them all the way back up. Option 2, of course, put your hands underneath your seat. Keep going for 30 more seconds. Last one today, guys. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Guys, you made it. Congratulations. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.
I don't do forgiving for a lot of things, yeah. Fuck me over, I'm gon' do that shit right back to you. My new bitch named Karma.